In this video, we're excited to introduce you to the 2025 Lightning Fang XR, a bike that's built for those who crave speed, precision, and cutting-edge design. We'll be taking a deep dive into what makes this bike so special and why it's capturing the attention of riders everywhere. Let's kick things off with the design of the Lightning Fang XR. The aggressive yet sleek look of the bike stands out instantly. It's built to cut through the wind with its aerodynamic frame, while its sharp, edgy design adds a level of fierceness to its personality. The attention to detail on every curve and finish makes it clear this is a bike that not only performs, but also looks stunning on the road. When it comes to performance, the Lightning Fang XR truly shines. It features a powerful engine designed to deliver both speed and control. Whether you're cruising through city streets or pushing the limits on the highway, this bike responds to your every move. The torque and acceleration give you that thrilling sensation, while the bike's stability ensures a smooth and confident ride no matter the terrain. The Lightning Fang XR is equipped with the latest in technology, from its advanced braking system to its intuitive rider interface. You'll find a digital dashboard that provides all the information you need at a glance. Plus, the bike is packed with smart features, such as ride modes tailored for different environments and a built-in GPS that enhances navigation. Comfort is key with the Lightning Fang XR. The seat is designed for long-distance rides, offering the perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. The ergonomics of the handlebars and foot pegs make sure you stay in control without sacrificing your comfort during extended rides. Even when you're pushing this bike to its limits, you'll feel the ease of handling. Let's not forget about the safety features. The bike is equipped with top-tier ABS, traction control, and a responsive suspension system, all designed to keep you safe and in control at high speeds. No matter the road conditions, the Lightning Fang XR has you covered, making every ride as safe as it is exhilarating. To wrap things up, the Lightning Fang XR 2025 is more than just a bike, it's a statement. It combines cutting-edge design, raw power, and advanced technology to deliver an unforgettable riding experience. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone looking for their next adventure, the Lightning Fang XR is ready to take you there in style. Thanks for watching Wonder Wheels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews and test rides. Stay tuned for more exciting content.